सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ पेज 71 11th chapter first shloka भावा भावविकारश्च स्वभावादिति निश्चयम् निर्विकारो गतक्लेशः सुखेनैवोपशाम्यति ईश्वरः सर्वनिर्माता नेहान्य इति निश्चयम् अंतर्गलित सर्वाशः शान्तः कापि न सज्जते Ashtavakra dealing with the topic of Jnanam and Jnani. How a Jnani looks at himself and the world. Jnanam asya asti iti Jnani. Who is a Jnani? The one who has got the wisdom, wise person. Jnanam, Atma Jnanam. Knowing that I am the Atma Swarupam available in this matter body which is made out of 5 elements. Remembering this fact is called wisdom. Remembering this fact, the Satyam, the truth, is called wisdom. This is called Atma Jnanam. Not only having Atma Jnanam, but Nischayi, a firm knowledge. Nischi Dhatu, 5th conjugation. Nischayaha asya asti iti nischayi. For grammar students, I am telling, the one who has got a firm conviction, the one who has got a firm resolve, the one who has got a doubtless knowledge is called Nischayi. In Gita language, we can say Sthita Prajnaha, Gunatitaha, Parabhaktaha. So these are all the synonyms for a Jnani. So Ashtavakra says he is a Nischayi. He resolves in the facts. So, yani sthitapragnasya lakshanani tani mumukshoho sadhanani. When a person, a seeker, jignasu study, we can take that Jnani as a role model. People are following models, no? So, who is our model now for a Vedantic student? For a Vedantic student, model is a Jnani. Sthira Prajnaha, Nischayi. So, by studying about that Nischayi Jnani, so that I can imitate that gnani. One day I get the truth, knowledge. Possible. So fake it and make it. First I struggle to claim I am Brahman. Difficult only. Many times I remember, many times I forget also. Possibility is there. Therefore, Ashtavakra says, read about Jnani, how he looks at himself, what his mind set up, mindset. Jnani's mindset, I have to look all the time. Jnani's mindset. So in these slokas you can see the Jnani's mindset. Let me have that mindset. Because I am a Tivra Mumukshu. I am Ashtavakra Gita advanced student. Therefore, let me have such a mindset of a Jnani. What is that mindset? In first shloka he says, Bhava abhava vikaraha swabhavad iti nischayena. He is having a firm knowledge. This sthula sukshma shariram, bhava sthula shariram, abhava sukshma shariram, that which is invisible. Both of them are only vikaraha, only modification. It is just a change. Swabhavat, because of that Maya Prakriti. The Maya Prakriti, it has got a modification. That modification, vikara, only is this. Shad vikaram. Asti jayate vardhate viparinamate apakshiyate vinashyati. All these vikaras are there to this body. This fact you have to remember. When you look at the mirror, even though you are applying powder, as you are applying powder, Shadvikara Sahitaha, I am applying powder. Applying snow, applying everything, whatever you are doing to this body, just for a second, remember. Enough. That is called Nischaya. This Jnani has got that Nischaya. Nirvikaraha, how is he? Jnani says, my original nature is not bhava abhava vikaram, I am nirvikaraha. Quite opposite. Quite diagonally opposite. Body is undergoing a change violently. Whereas I, the consciousness, am no change at all. I am the same. Nirvikaraha, Gata Kleshaha, all Pancha Kleshas, Avidya, Asmita, Raga, Dvesha, Abhinivesha, all these Kleshas gone. When after coming to Vedanta class? Gone or going, at least. Nischayiki gone. For Tivra Vedanti student ki going slowly. Shanaihi. Going. What? Kleshas, problems. Shadurmayaha. All this belongs to body only. Shadurmayaha means Vyadhi, Jara to this body, physical body. And hunger to the Pranamaya Kosha, thirst to Pranamaya Kosha, then Raga Dvesha to Manomaya Kosha. All this not there to me, the Atma, this Jnanam is called Gata Kleshaha. Understanding, this conviction is called. Kleshas are only to the body. Shadurmis are only to the body, not to me. This knowledge is called Gata Kleshaha Nartham. Sukhena eva upashamyate. Sukhena means very easily, kashtabadamal, because of this clarity. How he has or she has got this clarity? Intense study of Shastra. Intense study of Shastra. Kari buddhi, vaalatandu buddhi vechinde, eppudo sambalichitte. We are managing because now it is becoming karpura buddhi little. Vaalatandu buddhi a buddhi which will never receive at all. Rumba kashtam. Vaalatandu cannot catch the fire. Kari buddhi is that catch, but it takes lot of time. Uff, we have to fan it. Bhagavad Gita, first chapter fanning, second chapter fanning. Slowly, Puda Puriyarthu Swamini, Eppo anna, 10th chapter vandadukku appuram. Paravale anna, working an artham. Adha Kari buddhi anna. Karpura buddhi anna, second chapter lo excellent Aham Brahmasmi anna. Adi Karpura buddhi. Okay, we should not expect too much Karpura buddhi anna. Paravale, edo ippo Karpura buddhi. Now, after studying for a length of time, now I am able to understand clearly. So, slow Vaalatandu buddhi to Kari buddhi to Karpura buddhi. Paravale. I don't say you are all Vaalatandu buddhi. Karpura buddhi is wonderful, excellent. That is the buddhi required to understand Shastra. Then the question may come here, Ishvaraha Sarvanirmata. What is the question? Why at all this creation, Jiva, Ishvara, all this we are talking? What is this? If you want to know, that Nischayi Gnani understand, I the consciousness am reflecting in total and individual. Gnani Nischayi understands I the Chetanam Brahma. I means not Manobuddhi Ahankaram. I the Chaitanyam Brahma, consciousness existent principle. In my presence, the total matter is functioning, individual body matter also functioning. Last class I said that consciousness reflecting, like sun reflecting, do you remember that example? Sun reflecting in bucket of water, sun reflecting in the ocean. Sun is ever same. Sun never plans to reflect. In the presence of sun, that waters, sun reflection is there. Small bucket, small reflection. Big ocean, big reflection. That example I gave. Similarly, I the consciousness sun, not your sun. Okay, that original sun. I the consciousness like a sun reflecting in the matter, total matter. I am only called Ishvaraha, Sarva Nirmata, Sarvagnaha. That is called Maya. And ocean, inge Maya. In Maya, the total Maya, the Chaitanyam, I the Chaitanyam, when I reflect in that, my name is called Ishvaraha. Not Ahankara. My enna Lakshyartha, I the consciousness. In Maya, Pratibimbita Chaitanyam is called Ishvaraha. Mayopadhikaha Ishvaraha. Ishvaranuku enna upadhina Maya. Whereas I the consciousness am reflecting in this individual upadhi, avidya, is called Jivaha. Jivaha. Teaching is two types. Jiva, I am Dasaha, I have to worship the Lord. Ishvara is there, by blessings of Ishvara I come to know the Atma. I am Atma, recognizing Ippadi. In a lower to higher. Now we are studying Ashtavakra Gita, higher to lower. Higher to lower means what? Paramarthika Chaitanyam Brahma to Vyavaharika Ishvara and Jiva. I have to look at Ishvara and Jiva as Chaitanyam. I am only Ishvara Rupena, I am only in Jiva Rupena. As Ishvara, I am Sarva Nirmata. I am Sarva Nirmata na confuse Kuda Tiripi. I am in a local, I am staying in T Nagar Mambalam, West Mambalam. I am the Sarva Nirmata. Na, you can never be Sarva Nirmata. You are not the creator of total universe. But as Chaitanyam, as consciousness, I am as Ishvara, Mayopadhika Ishvara, I am the creator of the entire cosmos. That's what he says, Ishvaraha Sarva Nirmata. Who says this? Jnani. Jnani is nischayam ide. Na iha anyaha iti. There is no one other than me, the consciousness alone is Ishvara. Creator of this entire universe. Sarvagnaha. Sarvashaktivan, Sarvavyapi, Ishvaraha. So, whom you are worshipping, the God, Ishvara, that Lord alone is nothing but Chaitanyam, na anyaha. That Chaitanyam alone is the God. We have given the name. But Ajnanis do not know that Ishvara, Rama, Krishna, as Rama only, Krishna only, they take. But Vedantic students have to understand what? That Rama, Krishna, who is God we are worshipping, who is Ishvara. Ishvara means not Shiva. Ishvara means the Lord, controller. Therefore, I am controller as Ishvara. I the Chaitanyam as Ishvara, I am the controller. I the same Chaitanyam in Jiva Upadhi is the contributor. I the same Chaitanyam in the individual Upadhi, I am the contributor. So contributor, not a controller, I am. That's why I cannot control anything. I have no control at all. Even though I the Chaitanyam an individual body, I am not the controller but contributor. Then this contributor, who is the Jiva, this the same Chaitanyam I am reflecting in 3 levels, Triputi. Triputi I reflect. What? This body getting a knowledge of that objects, clip object, and the thought comes in the mind, clip vritti. That vritti, the prameyam, pramata, pramanam. The vritti, antakaranam, I am reflecting in antakaranam, in my mind. In this own mind, I am reflecting. How you reflect, your face reflect in the mirror. Similarly, I the consciousness, don't take like that reflection madri, as though reflection. Okay. I the same Chaitanyam reflecting, now keep it Ishvara aside. Once you come to individual, I the Chaitanyam reflecting in the Antakaranam first. Number 2, I the Chaitanyam alone reflecting in the form of vritti. Once I reflect in the mind, and the mind kulla vritti varum, thought. That is, and the thought alone comes and gets the clip knowledge. Clip is object. How you got this clip knowledge, tell me? You got clip thought. How you have got? Have you analyzed at any time? Clip theriyarthu Swami adana. Clip is object. The knower of the clip is subject. Yes? How you got the clip? This topic only I have introduced in the last class. I said I will explain. Okay? How you got this clip knowledge? Your antakaranam, there is a vritti formed. Clip thought is formed. Clip thought. Okay? And the clip thought gives the knowledge this is a clip or flower. How you got this is flower knowledge? Flower thought. So flower is what? Object. The knower of flower I am is called pramata. I am the knower of this flower is pramata. Why I am known as pramata? Prama anna jnanam. The one who has got jnanam is called pramata. Prama asya asti iti pramata. Prama asti va nasti va? When you are seeing this flower is white color or blue color? White color. That means you are the knower of the white lily. This is called spider lily. Okay. You are the knower of spider lily. That means what? You have got prama. Jnanam. What prama? Pushpa prama. Pushpa jnanam. Clear? When you have got pushpa jnanam, this is called prameyam. About what you have knowledge is got is known as prameyam. Subject is pramata, object is prameyam. This subject object middle, one thing is required, thought process, isn't it? Flower vritti has to take place. So all this, that is called pramanam. That vritti is called pramanam. I, the pramata, am the knower of the flower, prameyam, through the thought, flower thought. Of course, thought comes only by seeing through the eyes. Eyes are pramanam. But and the eyes have to give the message and the thought. Thought alone is the vritti. And the thought means vritti. And the vritti is, where is this vritti? In the right hand or left hand? In the mind, antahkaranam. So, now you see, I the Chaitanyam Brahma am reflecting in the antahkaranam, mind, and creating the thought, I the Chaitanyam reflecting in the vritti. And helps the vritti to go to that flower, that is prameyam. So, the prameyam, there is also Chaitanyam. So, how many Chaitanyams are there now? Pramata antakaranam, pramata antakarana Chaitanyam. Pramanam vritti Chaitanyam. Prameyam, this prameya Chaitanyam. Is the subject, all technical. Every thought process is like this, from morning to till night. Unaku purinjalum puriyatalum idida vishayam. Pramata, prameyam, pramanam. Yenda pramanam, shabda pramanam venumanna shabda vrittiki ears, rupa vrittiki eyes, gandha vrittiki nose, rasa vrittiki tongue, sparsha vrittiki skin. You use any external pramanam, vritti is common. Different knowledge to different instruments, vritti is compulsory. Priyarada, see, Chaitanyam is one, but reflecting in different medium. Antakaranam, vritti and object. So, pramata, pramanam, prameyam. In the mood way, they are functioning because of me, the Chaitanyam. Your every knowledge is, this is the process. Who knows? Nischayi. Chummana jnanavanna puriyarada? Idella theriyanu. My husband, my son, my daughter. Whenever you get any knowledge about anything, immediately all this process should come in your mind. Ashtavakra Gita should come in your mind. Next week work, ide job ungalku, homework. What homework? When you are eating food, again, what? Pramata, pramana, tongue, prameyam, food. Everything you have to do like this. Every knowledge. Every knowledge requires pramata, pramanam, prameyam. Then knowledge takes place. So Jnani knows this. Ishvaraha, Jivaha, everything he knows. Then Antargalita Sarvashaha. Antargalita Sarvashaha. All ashas, all desires, what I have to desire now? Ishvara is myself. Jivas, all jivas are also myself. Everything is within me, the consciousness. What I have to desire now? I need not desire anything. When I have everything, everything is because of my blessing. What am I lacking? As Chaitanyam Brahma, matter is floating in me. All God's names and forms are floating in me, the Chaitanyam. All jivas, species, 84 lakhs of species are floating in me, nothing but matter. Mithya, matter floating in me, Satya, Atma. Mithya, Nama, Rupa, Prapancha floating in me, the Chaitanyam, Atma, which is the Satyam. Whatever is coming and going is Mithya, Vikaratvat, Ghatavat. Body, mind, all Nama Rupas are temporary or permanent? Permanent. Anitya, impermanent. Impermanent. So all are impermanent. Whatever is Anityam is Mithya. Whatever is Anityam is Mithya. Ghatavat. So, this Anityamani eppume gnapakam irukkanum. Puriyadha? This is called Ishvaraha, Sarva Nirmata, the Jnani knows. Jivas are created by that Ishvara only. Why Ishvara created these Jivas? He can create all nice Jivas, no? Next question. Ishvaraha Sarva Nirmata, Jnani knows. And because I, the Chaitanya alone, am in Maya, Upadhi, reflecting Argatherium, therefore no Asha for him, Sarva Galita Ashana. All desires are gone from him because no desire is remaining inside. No desires are there. So Shantaha, Nischayi Jnani Shantaha is very, very relaxed, calm, from whom all desires are dissolved. Shantaha. Na sajjate. I, the Atma, I am never afflicted by the body afflictions. Body cannot afflict me. Mind cannot afflict me. So, neighborizing the neighbor's problem. Body, mind is my neighbor. I am the Atma. So, therefore, two formats now. Binary format. Swamiji says binary format. Even highly educated Vedantins also not able to understand that binary format. Binary format and Atma, Anatma. I am Atma, body, mind is Anatma. So, two are there. Binary and two. Binary format. In the binary format, if binary unitary or binary really? It is unitary only. One is Satya, one is Mithya. Second one is Mithya. Which one is Mithya? Body, mind. Once it is Mithya, it is as good as non-existent. Binary anna rendu irukku nenakkodadu. Binary anna rendu irukku anatma irukku anna. Anatma is Mithya. Shariram is Mithya. Mithya anna poyi. Poyi anna anrutam. Anrutam anna enna artham? Vyavaharikam. Vyavaharikam enna artham? Vyavahara yogyam. It is Vyavahara yogyam, therefore it is real, you cannot say. I am Paramarthika Satya. Why we have to study all this? This Vyavahara, Yogya, Shariram, Manas, relations cannot touch me they cannot cause any sorrow in me really. No upset, no guilt, no regret, no worry. For whom? Nishchayi. If I am a Nishchayi, I am free. Shantaha. Na sajjate. Not attached to, not anointed by this. In spite of I am in this body, I am reflecting in the mind, I am reflecting in the entire universe, they cannot touch me. Touch me not. For this, which ashrama you have to go now? Wherever you go, body comes. Wherever you go, mind also comes. So here itself you can say, I am untouched by the mind or not. To say I am untouched, unafflicted by the mind, what you have to use? Mind, body. By using the mind, body itself, you have to say, I am not afflicted by the raga dvesha of the mind. I am not touched by the old age and disease of the body. சொல்ல முடியுமா முடியாதா? சொல்லணும். This is information now. It has to be a fact for you, then you are a Nishchayi. If it becomes a fact for you, you are a Nishchayi. Until that time, படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். Okay. Next shloka. Apada sampada kale Daiva deveti nishchayi Trupta swasthendriyo nityam Navanchati na shochati. That's why Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Ishvara sarva bhutanam hruddeshe arjuna tishtati. Brahmayan sarva bhutani yantra rudhani mayaya. Atma Chaitanyam alone activating the Maya, then becoming as Ishvara and making all jivas to function. Now the next question is, if Ishvara is the creator, controller, why all these disparities? Why one person is enjoying lot of luxuries? Why one person is suffering with chronic diseases or some other problems? Why this disparity? Why can't Ishvara create everyone happy, everyone free from disease, everyone healthy? Why Bhagavan has to create Kosu? Why Bhagavan has to create all these problems? He can create nice creation, no? Because he is the controller, he is having power. Why can't he do that way? For that, Jnani says, no. Jnani knows that Ishvara is not responsible for the differences in the creation. One is Sukhi, one is Dukhi, one is Rogi, one is healthy. All these are not because of Ishvara's Nirnayam. That is only because of their prarabdha. And the Jiva, Ishvara cannot create the matter on his own. Jivas are anadi. So matter just come to manifestation, it has to undergo the karma phalam. That's what he says here. Apadaha sampadaha kale. Kale means that they definitely, sampada and apada. Sampada means richness, prosperity. Apada means adversity, crisis. Kale, exact time they come, when they have to come. Kale, in appropriate time, they come. They are coming or not? Coming. You don't have control on that. They are bound to come. He says, Deva Deva Daivadi eva iti. Daivadi means here prarabdha karma anartham. Daivadi means prarabdha karma. Karma vashat. Prarabdha karma vashat. Adrishta phalam. This is called punya papa phalam. If punya fructifies, sukham comes, sampada. Papa fructifies, vipada or apada. One way or other it comes. Because of the person's punya papa karma. When he did, long ago, jivas are anadi. Okay, jivas are anadi. They are taking bodies according to their karma phalam. That is called adrishta karma phalam. Adrishtam anna lakkanilla. Na drishtam adrishtam. Whenever you do any karma, that karma decides whether you get punya or papa. It is a punya karma, righteous action, it is called punya karma. It is a wrong action, it is called bad karma, papa karma. So Ishvara is not responsible. Just as a person sow the seed in the field, and the field is called antakaranam. You sow the seed karma. Okay, avidya, kama, karma. So kama, desire comes. Right desire, right seed, you sow the antakaranam. Then the phalam comes when you sow the seed, you are sowing many seeds. Okay, bhumi is there, you are sowing the seed. Rain is samanya karanam. Rain never have partiality to pour water this way, here more water, less water. Rain is Ishvara's karma phala data, samanya karanam. You are the one sowing the seed punya papa karma in the field like antakaranam. Through that you are doing the actions. So you have to see the example. Field, kshetram, and bijam, karma bijam, seeds. And rain, samanya karanam, water. Okay, the samanya karanam. What is vishesha karanam? Seed and kshetram. Okay, seed cannot sprout without kshetram. Kshetram alone cannot make the plants to sprout. So both are required. Kshetram is required, seed is required. In the rundume irunda pattadu, water is required. So water when you are pouring, that seed has to sow, base depend upon what? It has to come coconut tree or mango tree. Water decides or seed decides? Seed decides. And the kshetram decides. Is it right? The land, if it is cultivated land, pure good land, and the seed is good seed, and the good fruit comes. If the seed is bad, not proper, already already full of dolle irukku and the seed poi enna varumna onnume varadu illaya. Adu madri punya papa bijam, it is the kshetram, antakaranam. If you do punya karma, punyam comes. Papa karma, punya karma na sukham comes, papa karma na dukkham comes. Sampada, apada. Apada is because of papa karma. Sampada is because of punya karma. Priyarada? So, what is samanya karanam? Ishvaraha. Karma phala data. But Ishvara is not responsible for adversity, prosperity. You are enjoying today happily, and I have done lot of punya karma. I have sowed the seed long ago, sometime. I am having dukkham today, I am suffering means I have done some papa karma. Otherwise, why Ishvara has to give papam and custom to you? Now we ask question, how Ishvara is not having compassion, he can change, no? அவர் கம்பேஷனேட்னு வை காண்ட் ஹீ சேஞ்ச் மை பிராரப்தா, ஆபதில் வந்து சம்பதை கொடுக்கலாமே அண்ணா. Thought my knowledge, if suppose I have done any papa karma, ಅವರು ಕರುಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿ, ನೋ ಕರುಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿ, ದಯಾಳು, compassionate Lord can remove that ஆபதா. Why can't Bhagavan do? Bhagavan says, நான் ஒன்றுமே பண்ண முடியாது, கை கட்டி உட்கார்ந்துருக்கார் பகவான். என்ன, நாபுக்தம் க்ஷீயத்தே கர்மா ஜன்ம கோட்டி சதைரபி, பகவானு கூட உன்னுடைய பண்ண கர்மாவை தொடவே முடியாது. Like lawyer, I give another example. Lawyer, a criminal comes, suppose. Why can't be the lawyer or judge be compassionate towards that criminal? தப்பு பண்ணிட்டு வந்துட்டான். Suppose he punishes. When he is punishing the criminal, the lawyer is judging on his own behalf according seeing the law. Seeing the law book, what punishment to be given, it is fixed there. It is not, he is the only implementer of that law. Isn't it? So can you say lawyer is not having compassion at all? Can you say? Or the police officer or sub-inspector or any person who is having the law in his hand, he is not having either compassion, இல்லை அவருக்கு கருணையே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுவேல. அங்கே புக்கில் எங்கே இருக்கும், இந்த கிரைம் பண்ண இந்த பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கணும். Even though he is having compassion inside, he cannot do anything. He is helpless. நல்லது பண்ண மெடல்ஸ், பத்மஸ்ரீ, பத்மபூஷன், பரமவீர சக்ரா எல்லாம் கொடுப்பான். இல்லைன்னா ஒரே கழுத்தில் ஒரே கயிறு போடுவான். அதனால he is helpless. But then why we have to worship Ishvara? Question comes, when I have done papa karma, I have to undergo. Why he is there? What for Ishvara? Prayer and all, puja. Now I go home and remove all the God's photos. அப்படி பண்ணலாமா? No, we should not remove that. The prayer we have to do, see, all we only superimposed upon God. Bhagavan is compassionate, label put it on. Bhagavan is so loving, label put it on. And Bhagavan is so helping and so much he is doing, and we only superimposed all the gunas to Bhagavan. Very, very terse topic I am talking. Deliberately, knowingly I am talking. Okay. One day or other you have to understand all these things. Bhagavan is loving, compassionate. All these virtues we have only kept to Bhagavan. And we are praying. This type of superimposition all gunas, all virtues upon the Lord is good for us only. Okay, நானே சூப்பர் இம்போஸ் பண்ணி அச்சுதாய நமஹ, அனந்தாய நமஹ, சர்வகதாய நமஹ, பிரேமமூர்த்தி பகவான். Who superimposed all this? Myself. We never say Bhagavan is not at all good, Bhagavan is having raga, Bhagavan is having dvesha, Bhagavan is having all this. We have given all virtues to Bhagavan and kept there, and I am worshipping. That means what? I myself, what I want to keep in him, and I want to ask from him. Enna paranga? I want what? Love. I want what? Compassion. I want kindness. I want everyone should forgive me. Okay. I want respect. I want whatever I want, all I kept to one place and see that is as a Ishvara. And expecting everything from Bhagavan. Compassion, kindness, forgiveness from all Bhagavan I am seeking. This will definitely help a person. This will never go waste. Even though upasana is what? Atasmin tad buddhihi. Ishvara is Brahma Chaitanyam. Maya upadhishvara. I myself superimposed all virtues and I seek. By that I'll get Shanti, Ananda, Trupti, some relaxation I get. This is the fact actual. நம்பவே முடியல இல்லை, நம்பவே முடியாது. நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம் எவ்வளவோ இருக்கு. What we know is கற்றது கைமண்ணளவு கல்லாதது உலகளவு. அதனால இது புரியறதுக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நாள் ஆகும், எஸ்மினேட் ஆகிறதுக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நாள் ஆகும். பரவாயில்ல, ஆனாலும் கொஞ்சம் ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க, புரியும். ஸோ ஈஸ்வரா இஸ் ரிக்வயர்ட் டு ஹெல்ப் மீ அண்ட் டு கிவ் சொலேஸ் டு மீ. Sampada, Apada, no one can alter your karma as it is. Today I am facing dukkha means not any person is the cause for that. My mind is undergoing a trauma, a pain, it is because of my own karma phalam. My own karma phalam. None of them in this world is cause. But இது அறியாமல் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? Every second we put blame akshatai on others. Avidya, kama, karma, janma, marana, samsara, chakram. But jnani, nischayi, sampadaha, apadaha, kale, daivad eva iti. Prarabdhaya samarpitam vapuhu ityesha manisha mama. He gives this body to prarabdha. It has to undergo its own arabdham karma. That's why jnani also undergoes a pain, physical ill health, censure, apamanam, avamanam. Illa body has to undergo. But jnani is not touched by that. He is not touched or she is not afflicted by that. Body has to undergo. No one can change. Ishvara is intact. Ishvara only my karma phala data. That's all. Ishvara is not responsible for my sukha dukkha. Who knows? Jnani knows. Therefore what? Truptaha, swastha indriyaha, nityam, all the time, nityam, all the time, truptaha, satisfied, content, not having any craving for anything. Truptaha, swastha indriyaha, his sense organs are controlled, disciplined. He or she accepts the karma phalam, sukha dukkha. So swastha indriyaha means controlled sense organs anartham. Nityam na vanchati na shochati. No desire. Na vanchati means no more desire. Nothing is there to acquire. What desire he can or she can have? No desire. Then na vanchati na shochati. Na shochati means even there is a loss, suppose. Na shochati. Yoga kshema, no problem. Vanchati enna yoga, trying to acquire what I don't have. Yoga. Kshema means trying to protect what I have. It's called kshema. So jnani is free from yoga and kshema. Na vanchati, na shochati. Therefore, if you worry about future, your present will be spoiled. If you regret about past, your present will be spoiled. Anyway, present only will be affected. Past ku undu regret panni prayojanam illa. Future patti worry panni prayojanam illa. Therefore what? Live in present. But what we are doing? That's the problem. Okay, next shloka. Sukha dukkhe janma mrityu, janma mrityu, sukha dukkhe janma mrityu, daivadeveti nischayim. साध्यादर्शी निरायासः कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते. How is it possible for a jnani, when sampada comes, apada comes also, he is same all the time, nityam, all the time, he is same, triptaha. How is it possible for a jnani? Without any afflictions. Is it possible really? No. It is possible. Sukha dukkhe janma mrityu daivadeva iti nishchayi. Sampada apada, previous shloka. Now sukha dukkha. When sampada comes, sukha comes. When apada comes, dukkha comes. When prosperity comes, we have sukham, ananda. When adversity comes, we have dukkha comes. Sukhe dukkhe. Both are coming because of what? Daiva deva. Daiva prarabdham, karma. Whatever karma we have done, that one I am only undergoing. But we never accept it. That's the problem. Then we go and demand. If I know my sukha dukkha are because of my previous punya papa karma. This is called Shraddha in Shastra. If I don't have Shraddha in Shastra, I don't accept my sukha dukkha are because of my punya papa. This punya papa is because of my previous karma. I never accept. That is why Shastratla Shraddha irkanam. Upajivya pramanalla Shraddha irkanam. Priyarada? Otherwise, who is the loser? Now you understand how our ancestors used to undergo lot of pains. In adversity also they used to withstand because of what, you understand? Since I am only the cause, enna oru nimmadi. Parunga. Suppose somebody hits, we'll shout at others. Illaya? Somebody hit us, we are very angry. இப்போ நானே ஒரு கை கற்றுக்கு பண்ணும்போது கை போயிடுச்சுன்னா how you feel? ஐயோ கட்டும். இப்போ நானே ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் ஃபார் மை பெயின். சப்போஸ் when I am cutting my nails, suppose I cut my nail, while cutting nail I cut my skin also, suppose. Do I shout at anyone? We will not shout. Why? I am only responsible. That's why what you do? And the kai வாயில் வச்சுட்டு and you can solace அப்படியே. You accept it. You won't feel much pain. And if somebody does, you feel more painful, no? It is more painful. When you yourself do, even you spoil the food while you are cooking. Sometimes நன்னா இருக்குன்னு சாப்பிடுவேன். அதே வேறு யாராவது பண்ணினா கொஞ்சம் அப்படி இப்படி இருந்தாலும் கூட சரியில்லைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். உனக்கு பண்ணவே தெரியாது, அப்படி பண்ணுறேன் இப்படி பண்ணுறேன்னா. அது நம்ம பண்ணிட்டோன்னா நன்னதான் இருக்க பரவாயில்ல. அதே மாதிரி தான் once I know this karma phalam punya papa is sukha dukkha is because of my punya papa karma phalam only sometime I have done, and அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நிச்சயம் வந்தா I never have a pain of the sorrow. This is good, let me undergo this pain. நான் பண்ண கர்ம தான் நன்னா இருக்கேன், பண்ணு அனுபவி ராஜா அனுபவி. ரெண்டுமே துக்கம் வந்தாலும் அனுபவி ராஜா அனுபவி, சுகம் வந்தாலும் அனுபவி ராஜா அனுபவி. ஈவன் ஞானி கூட ஒரு வாட்டி நன்னா பிக்ஷை வரும், ஒரு சன்னியாசி கூட அப்படிதான். என்ன பண்ணுறது, ஒரு வாட்டி பிக்ஷையே வராது, இந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மறந்துடுவான். அனுபவி ராஜா அனுபவி என்ன அந்த டே என்ன பிராரப்தமோ அதே கரெக்டாக வரும். இன்னும் பிராரப்தம் அது, அவ்வளோதான். பாப்பா அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? கொத்தவரங்காய் பொரியல் வந்தால் டெய்லி ஒரு வாரம் சாப்பிடுவேல நீங்கள்? Suppose I am telling for example, same vegetable, all the 7 days can you eat? None of us can eat. Suppose one student பண்ண பிக்ஷா இன்னொரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு தெரியாது என்ன பண்ணுறான்னு. சப்போஸ் அந்த குருவுக்கு அதே வெஜிடபிள் டெய்லி வந்தா இது யார் காரணம்? ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டா காரணம்? பாவம். அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? யார் என்ன பண்ணுறான்னு யாருக்கு தெரியாது. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க குரு? இதுதான் அவனுடைய பிராரப்தம். நல்லா சாப்பிட்டு தான் ஆகணும், ஒன்றும் வேலை பண்ண முடியாது. பகவான் பாப்பா இவர் ஞானி, இவர் சன்னியாசி, இன்னைக்கு இவருக்கு ஏதாவது மாற்றிடுவேன்னு சொல்லி அவரை என்ன பண்ண முடியுமா? என்ன ஒன்றுமே பண்ண முடியாது. சும்மா சொல்கிறேன் ஜோக்கு. ஓகே, அது மாதிரி ஞானி டஸ் கர்மா இஸ் ஏ செகண்ட் லைன். சாத்திய அதர்ஷி, நத்திங் இஸ் தேர் டு அக்காம்ப்ளிஷ், நாட் சீக்கிங் டு டூ சம்திங் திஸ் திங் தட் அண்ட் ஆல். ஓகே, கிருத்தகிருத்யா, ஐ வாண்ட் டு அச்சீவ் திஸ், ஐ வாண்ட் டு அக்காம்ப்ளிஷ் திஸ் அன்னதே கிடையாது. சாத்தியா அதர்ஷி, சாத்தியம்னா கோல், கோல் டு அக்காம்ப்ளிஷ், லுக்கிங் ஃபார்வர்ட் டு அக்காம்ப்ளிஷ் சம் கோல். என்ன பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒன்றுமே இல்லையே, எல்லாம் முடிச்சாச்சு. நைவ தஸ்ய கிருத்தேனார்த்தா ந அகிருத்தேனேக கஷ்டின, பண்ண வேண்டியது இல்லை, பண்ணாததும் இல்லை, எல்லாம் முடிச்சாச்சுன்னா. தேர்ஃபோர் நிராயாசா குர்வன்னபி ந லிப்யதே, குர்வன்னேவேஹ கர்மாணி. ஸோ குர்வன்னபி மீன்ஸ் இன்ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் பர்ஃபார்மிங் த டியூட்டீஸ், இன்ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் பர்ஃபார்மிங் த டியூட்டீஸ், பஷ்யன் ஸ்ருண்வன் ஸ்பிருஷன் ஜிக்ரன் அஷ்னன் கச்சன் ஸ்வபன் ஸ்வசன் பிரலபன் விசஜன் கிருண்ணன் உன்மிஷன் நிமிஷன் அப்பி ந லிப்யதே, நாட் டச்டு பை, நாட் afflicted by, ந லிப்யதே. So Gnani does an action for what sake? Gnani perform karma without expecting any result. Number 1. 4 reasons we can give. Kurvannapi na lipyate, in spite of performing his family duties, Gnani, Grihastha Gnani or Sannyasi Gnani, they perform duties. Either teaching, Sannyasi and teaching, Grihasthananna taking care of the family, Grihastha Gnani. So kurvannapi na lipyate. Number 1, without expecting any results, either name or fame or anything, or money or anything, does the actions. Number 1. Number 2, sishtachara sake, they perform the loka sangraha. Sishtachara means to be an exemplary, to be an exemplary to the world. Lord Krishna said, whatever yadyadacharati shresthaha tat tat eva itare janaha. People, great people, whatever they do, other people also do. Grandfather, whatever, father, whatever they do, children also do that. So sishta achara means for as an exemplary to the world, loka sangraha sake they perform. Number 2. Number 3, performing or non-performing is not in his hands. It is the nature of the body, mind. Therefore, any karma is belong to body, mind only. It does not belong to me. That jnanam is there all the time. Ahankara is not there. I am doing, I am the doer, I am the enjoyer of the phala. This is not there. Mithya body mind complex, it's a nature to do. As long as it is there, it does. அது தெரியும் ஞானிக்கு எப்போவுமே. அதனால சும்மா உட்கார வேண்டிய தேவையும் இல்லை. நான் ஞானி ஒன்றும் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு உட்கார வேண்டேன். நான் ஞானி அதனால சுறுசுறுப்பாக பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பேன். நான் according to their prarabdha, one gnani sits quietly, one gnani moves all over, one gnani writes, one gnani talks. எப்படி இருந்தாலும் அவங்கவுங்க பிராரப்தத்துக்கு பிரகாரமாக according to their taste they perform the actions without any expectation. புரியுறதா? ஞானி என்ன சும்மா உட்காரணும், ஒன்றும் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு நினைக்கக்கூடாது. அப்படின்னா கிருஷ்ணர் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கார் பாருங்க. அவர் ஞானியா அஜ்ஞானியா? அப்போ And fourth one is performing karma without any ahankara. Jnani performs karma without ahankara. Kurvannapi na lipyate katham. Is not afflicted by that actions. How na? Because ahankara is not there while doing. Kartrutvam is not there. I am the doer. Kartrutvam is not there. Pannamod eppadi pannanum? Just body, mind, they are doing, that's all. Not me. Appadi pannanum. Without any raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, without any expectation, for the sake of law, cosmic law. This is Ishvara's order. I am the part of this Ishvara. This Sariram body belongs to the Lord. Therefore, let it function as long as it continues in surviving, it has to do. Nothing to do with me, the Chaitanyam Brahma. This is called Nischayam. If you have this knowledge, you also Nichayi. Jnani and Artham. So that is the Jnani's mindset. Kurvannapi na lipyate. No more complaints. No more complaints. Everything is a situation undergoing in Anatma world. Nama Rupa, it is a drama. Visualize the drama. Continue the serial. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.